Hello guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to send Robux to friends with Roblox Plus in 2026. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Roblox and then click on Friends. After that, select the necessary friend. For example, I want to send my Robux to this guy. Then you have to click on three dots right here, and then in this drop down menu you can find the send Robux option. So just click on it, and here you can see that with Roblox Plus you can send Robux absolutely for free. So as you can see, with Roblox Plus you will get 10% off in-game items, avatars and more, 20% of these items after 2 months, free and unlimited private servers, and send Robux for free. So you can get this Roblox Plus and of course send Robux for free to your friends. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write your comments. Goodbye.